Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, CANON Pixma G3470, and now I'm gonna show you how to print using your iPhone on this device. So firstly, you should be connected to the Wi-Fi network, to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer connected. If you don't know how to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network, so watch our video about it. We have it in Pixma G3470 playlist. You just can do it easily. Okay, but now I wanna show you how to print using, for example, Word application. For example, I have a Word application, and here I have the document, for example, right? And now, for example, I want to print it. So to print this document, I just click on 3 button and print. And you just should choose AirPrint technology, choose pages you want to print, choose how many copies you want to make. I don't know, print in color or in black and white. I don't know, so media quality and other settings. So just settings for your preferences, and just click here, choose printer Canon G3470. As you can see, I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network as my printer connected. This is the most important thing you need to check. So then click print, continue, wait a while. Cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you!